Water. Rainwater. Rainwater is clean water. It comes from the sky and we utilize it in different ways. There's seawater as well. Some of this clean water goes to the sea, but when it's mixed with salt, we cannot use it. It is not usable anymore. But the water that goes to the lakes is still clean and is used. Through lakes, other rivers are created with the same water. Then that water goes through the stream and gets to the fields where it waters the field to grow stuff.